The question is, the total number of electrons in the human body is typically in the order of 10 power 28. Suppose due to some reason you and your friend lost 1% of this number of electrons. Calculate the electrostatic force between you and your friend separated at a distance of 1 meter. Compare this with your weight. Assume mass of each person is 60 kg and use point chart approximation. So what is given is, in the human body the total number of electrons is 10 power 28. It is given as 10 power 28 and out of it 1% is lost. So the number of electron lost, first you have to find out the number of electrons lost, that is 1% of the total, 1%. So that is equal to 1 by 100 into 10 power 28, that is the total. So it comes to 10 power 26 electrons is lost. So it means 10 power 26 electrons is lost from the body. So you consider the body as a neutral mass in the beginning, it is a neutral one or human body, and from this 10 power 26 electron has gone out and it will have the number of protons in excess. Now the number of protons will be more compared to number of electrons. The excess number of proton is 10 power 26. That contributes to the charge. Now, so what is charge? Charge is equal to, now this number of protons, that is excess number of protons, n into E. So 10 power 26 into E. The value of E is 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 coulomb. So this is equal to 1.6 into 10 power 7 coulombs. Now we have calculated the charge on each person. So there are two persons, that is, it is given as is you and your friend. So if you take charge on you as Q1 and the other on your friend as Q2, so friend as Q2, Q1 is equal to Q2 now. That is equal to 1.6 into 10 power 7. The charges on both the person are same and the distance between them is 1 meter. It is given in the question. So R is equal to 1 meter. Now we have to calculate the electrostatic force between them. So what is the formula for electrostatic force? That is, according to Coulomb's law, electrostatic force is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q1 into Q2 by R square. So the value of 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught is equal to, that you have to remember always, the value is 9 into 10 power 9, with the unit you have to remember, Newton meter square per coulomb square. So this you always remember. So substituting the value of all this here, so 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught is equal to 9 into 10 power 9 and Q1 is equal to Q2. So 1.6 into 10 power 7 into 1.6 into 10 power 7 divided by R square, that is the distance between them, the square of that we have to put. So on calculation, the value comes to 2.3 into 10 power 24. This comes to 2.3 into 10 power 24 Newton. So this is the 24 Newton electrostatic force between you and your friend. Now you have calculated the electrostatic force. The second is, compare this with your weight, and the mass is given as 60 kg. Mass of each person is given as this. You try to remember. Now the next part is you have to find the mass is given as 60 kg and you have to find the weight. What is weight? Weight is again the gravitational force, that is equal to m into g. So mass 60 into 9.8 meter per second square, value of g you know. So that comes around 588 Newton. So you have to compare it. So compare the electrostatic force with weight. So if E by W is equal to 2.3 into 10 power 24 divided by 588. So this is equal to 0.00391 into 10 power 24. This can be written as 3.91 into 10 power 21. So the electrostatic force between you and your friend is equal to 3.91 into 10 power 21 times the weight of you times the weight. So this is the conclusion. So now we have done the comparison also. So this is, see, it is the electrostatic force is 3.91 into 10 power 21 times the weight. That's all.